Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix your camera not working on your Windows 10, Windows webcam not working on your laptop or computer. First, what we're going to do is to go to the device manager, and to do that, right click on the Windows or Start icon and click on device manager. You can also just search for device manager right here, and you can click on it to open up this device manager. Once you're here, see if there is a camera on the list. I have camera right here, or if not, look for imaging devices. It might be on the list as well. If it's there on the list, then that's good. If not, we have to go to the next step. Now we have to select the computer name on our list, and once you have selected that, click on Action from the tabs above and click on Scan for hardware changes. And this might detect that your camera is connected, and it now might show on the list. And see if there is camera or imaging devices on the list. There might also be a question mark at the bottom of the list, and if there is, you can right click on it and click on Update. If not, next step would be to click on Action again, click on Add Legacy Hardware, we click on Next, search for and install the hardware automatically. Click on Next right here and click on Next. And if there's any new hardware, it should pop up on here. Click on Next, and you should see any new hardware on the computer on this list. If not, let's go to Action again, click on Add Legacy Hardware, click Next, and now we're going to select the second option that says Install the hardware that I manually select from a list. From there, click on Next, and we select the camera from these lists. Click on Next, and you have to select the manufacturer. If it's an inbuilt camera, you usually select the Microsoft. If it is an external camera, it usually says manufacturer. So tap on it and click on Next to install the hardware or the device driver of that hardware. If this is not working, go back to the Windows, go back to the page, and we find the imaging devices right there. Click on Next, and again you click on Microsoft, and for the model we select the USB scanner device. You click on Next and restart the computer, and that should make your webcam to work after you restart your computer. And that is how you can basically fix camera not working on your Windows and when your webcam is not working. Thanks for watching, and if you find this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.